How to fix GoMining app not working. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To solve your crashing issue or your application not working, follow this simple step. Open up your phone setting. Scroll down. Select Apps. Tap on All Apps. Tap on the search icon and search for GoMining. Tap on it. Force stop your application. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, exit from your setting. Now, you can also press and hold onto your application and head to App Info. Follow the same step of force stopping it, heading to Storage and Cache, and clearing up the cache. This will solve the bug issue. Secondly, you can go ahead and check out your Play Store or App Store. Search for GoMining. Tap on the application and check for an update. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Now once you have done this, open up your phone setting once again. This time scroll down until you see System Update and tap on it. Check that your system is up to date. If not, leave your system for update so that it can support the version of GoMining application. Also make sure that your VPN is not connected and the application is actually available in your region. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it to your mobile data or enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. And that is exactly how you can fix the app not working. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.